services. The module described in this chapter provide a wide range of string manipulation operations and other text processing services. The codex module described under binary data services is also highly relevant to text processing. In addition, see the documentation for Python's built-in string type in text sequence type str. String, common string operations, string constants, custom string formatting, format string syntax, format specification mini language, format examples, template strings, helper functions. Regular expression operations, regular expression syntax, module contents, flags, functions, exception, regular expression objects, match objects, regular expression examples, checking for a pair, simulating scanf, search versus match method, making a phone book, text mugging, finding all adverbs and their positions, row string notation, writing a tokenizer. Difflib, helpers for computing deltas, sequence matcher objects, sequence matcher examples, differ objects, differ example, a command line interface to difflib and diff example, text wrapping and filling, Unicode database, string prep, internet string preparation, readline, GNU readline interface, init file, line buffer, history file, history list, startup hooks, completion, example, RL completer, completion function for GNU readline. Thanks.